When people hear about online sports betting for the first time, it can sound like something complicated or even overwhelming. But at its core, it's really just a system built around predicting sports outcomes and understanding how odds work. One of the most popular platforms in this space is BetMGM, a major sportsbook operated under the MGM brand, available in several regions where online sports betting is legal. If you've ever watched a football game, basketball match, or even a major tournament and heard people talking about odds, spreads, or money lines, then you've already been introduced to the basic language of sports betting without even realizing it. Before anything else, it's important to understand what a sportsbook actually is. A sportsbook is simply a platform that allows users to place predictions on sports events. These predictions are turned into wagers, and the platform sets odds that determine how much a winning prediction could potentially return. The odds are not random, they are carefully calculated based on statistics, team performance, injuries, historical data, and public betting behaviour. This is how companies like BetMGM maintain balance in the system while still offering payouts to winning outcomes. Now, when you open a platform like BetMGM, you're essentially entering a digital marketplace for sports predictions. Everything is organised by sport, league, and event. You might see categories like football, basketball, baseball, hockey, and more, depending on your region. Each game will have multiple types of betting options attached to it. These options are where most beginners get confused, but once you understand the structure, it becomes much easier to follow. One of the most basic concepts in sports betting is the money line. The money line simply means choosing which team or player will win the game outright. There are no extra conditions attached. If your pick wins the match, your bet wins. The odds attached to each side determine how much you could potentially win. A stronger team will usually have lower odds, meaning a smaller return, while an underdog will have higher odds, meaning a larger potential return. This balance is how sportsbooks manage risk. Another common format is the point spread. Instead of simply picking a winner, the spread gives one team a virtual advantage or disadvantage. For example, if a team is favoured by a certain number of points, they must win by more than that number for a bet on them to succeed. If you choose the underdog, they can either win outright or lose by fewer points than the spread. This format is designed to make both sides of a bet more balanced, especially when one team is clearly stronger than the other. Then there is the totals market, also called over and under. This does not focus on which team wins, instead it focuses on the combined score of both teams. A sportsbook will set a predicted total number of points, and you simply decide whether the actual game score will be higher or lower than that number. This type of betting is popular because it allows users to focus on game flow rather than just the winner. Beyond these basics, platforms like BetMGM also offer more advanced options, such as player performance predictions, halftime outcomes, and multi-event combinations, often called parlays. Parlays allow multiple predictions to be combined into a single wager, increasing the potential payout, but also increasing the difficulty, because all selections must be correct for the bet to win. At this point, it's important to pause and understand something critical. Sports betting is not a guaranteed way to make money. It is designed to be unpredictable, and the system is structured so that the sportsbook always has an advantage over time. This is why responsible platforms emphasize entertainment rather than income. People who engage with it should always treat it as a form of entertainment, similar to watching a game or playing a fantasy league, rather than a financial strategy. Now, when people talk about BetMGM specifically, they are usually referring to its reputation as one of the more established sportsbooks in markets where it is legally available. The platform is part of a larger entertainment ecosystem connected to MGM Resorts, which is known for casinos and sports entertainment. Because of this background, BetMGM integrates traditional sports betting concepts with modern online features, making it accessible through both mobile devices and desktop platforms in supported regions. Understanding odds is another key part of this entire system. Odds represent probability, but also include the built-in margin that allows the sportsbook to operate. There are different formats of odds depending on the region, including decimal odds, fractional odds, and American odds. American odds are commonly used in the United States and are often displayed with plus and minus signs. A negative number indicates a favourite, while a positive number indicates an underdog. The larger the positive number, the less likely the outcome is considered, but the higher the potential return if it happens. Many beginners often assume that betting is about guessing or luck, but experienced users usually focus more on analysis. They study team performance, injuries, weather conditions, historical matchups, and even psychological factors like rivalry pressure. Even with all of this information, there is still no certainty, which is why risk management is a major part of the experience. Another important concept is bankroll management. This simply refers to how someone manages the money they are willing to use for entertainment purposes in betting environments. Rather than placing large, unpredictable wagers, many experienced users focus on consistency and discipline, often placing smaller, controlled predictions instead of chasing big losses. This is one of the most important differences between casual users and those who struggle with sports betting environments. Platforms like BetMGM also include tools and features that promote safer engagement. These can include deposit limits, time reminders, and self-exclusion options in regions where they are required by law. These features exist because sports betting can become addictive for some people, especially when emotions are involved in live sports events. That emotional connection is part of what makes sports exciting, but it can also cloud judgment. Live betting is another feature that has become very popular in modern sportsbooks. This allows users to place predictions while the game is happening in real time. The odds shift dynamically based on what is happening in the match. For example, if a team scores early, the odds will immediately adjust to reflect the new situation. This creates a fast-paced environment where decisions are made quickly, often based on momentum rather than long-term analysis. Even though this might sound exciting, it also increases risk, because live betting often encourages impulsive decisions. That is why many experienced analysts recommend taking a step back and understanding the game situation rather than reacting emotionally. Another aspect of sportsbooks is promotions and bonuses. Many platforms, including BetMGM, often offer promotional incentives to new users or returning users. These can come in the form of risk-free bets or deposit matches. However, it's important to understand that these offers usually come with conditions attached, such as wagering requirements or time limits. This means the bonus is not simply free money, but part of a structured system designed to encourage platform engagement. As online sports betting continues to grow globally, it is becoming more integrated with mainstream sports culture. Major leagues now partner with sportsbooks, odds are displayed during broadcasts, and betting analysis is becoming part of sports media content. Despite this, the core principle remains the same: predicting outcomes that are uncertain. If someone is completely new to this space, the best approach is not to rush into it, but to understand how the system works from a distance first. Watching how odds move, how games unfold, and how different types of predictions perform can provide valuable insight without any financial involvement. In the end, platforms like BetMGM are built around entertainment, statistics, and probability. They combine sports knowledge with mathematical modelling to create an interactive experience around real-world events. But no matter how advanced the system becomes, unpredictability is always part of the equation. So whether someone is just learning what a sportsbook is, or simply trying to understand how odds and predictions work, the most important takeaway is that it is a system based on probability, not certainty. Every outcome carries risk, and every prediction is just that, a prediction. And that is really the foundation of how modern sports betting platforms operate today.